For 20 years, US consumer spending was a very predictable machine. Then 2020 hit and structural predictability collapsed to single digits. We ran 26 years of personal consumption expenditures through our Rolling FSR engine to measure the exact mathematical signature of macroeconomic shocks. We pulled the quarterly US consumer spending for 26 years using a sliding window of 4, meaning one full year of spending stability at a time. For 20 years, spending growth hovered in narrow, disciplined range, around 2 to 3%. Overall FSR score comes in at almost 33%. Rolling FSR score comes in at 57.46%. Spanning 2 full decades, predictability stayed anchored inside a 50 to 80% corridor. The system had a steady rhythm. The first major off-cave occurs right at window 31, where predictability plunged down to 5%. During the 2008 financial crisis. It recovered, re-entered the 60 to 78% channel, and stayed calm until Windows 78. At Windows 78, early 2020 lockdowns caused spending to plunge to minus 1% year over year. Predictability score, sub 10%. But notice what happens immediately after in Windows 83 through 88 as spending surged up to 6% during reopening and inflation. The rolling FSR score shot to an all-time high above 90%. The engine recognized that while spending was high, its upward velocity was temporarily locked into an extreme rigid trend. What does this prove? Consumers aren't inherently erratic. Under normal conditions, spending moves with structural discipline. FSR mathematically pinpoints the exact sliding windows where exogenous shocks break market predictability and how long it takes for the regime to normalize. Audit any time series data yourself at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.